A mighty war rages for the soul of our nation. It's being fought not with guns and missiles, but with deceptive ideologies, legislation, and class warfare. America has many enemies who are working to weaken it, subvert the Constitution, and take our country in a different direction than our founding fathers intended. This culture war is between liberals, progressives, socialists, and Marxists versus conservatives, constitutionalists, and those with Judeo-Christian values. Which side are you on? Your vote is a powerful weapon. Don't sit idle. Use it. Vote for those who uphold biblical values. Who would God be for? Vote for what's best for our nation, not what government can give you. Vote intelligently. Check their voting record. Vote for those who best represent you, regardless of race, sex, or party. Make every effort to vote. If you qualify, use an absentee ballot. The next president will likely shape the Supreme Court and federal judiciary for decades to come. Vote, or be ruled by those who do.